Hello and welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered if you could make tortillas healthier and vegan? Today we're diving into the world of sweet potato tortillas. I'm your guide on this culinary adventure, and I'll show you how to whip up a batch of these nutrition-packed tortillas from scratch. Now, finding the perfect vegan tortilla can sometimes feel like a wild goose chase. Those available in stores might be too brittle for your liking, or they might sneak in some non-vegan ingredients that you'd rather avoid. It's enough to make anyone throw their hands up in frustration. But what if I told you that there's a solution that's not just vegan, but also delicious and easy to make at home? That's right, we're talking about sweet potato tortillas. These little gems are not just vegan, but they're also packed with nutrients, and they bring a lovely sweet flavor that can elevate any meal. And the best part? You can make them right in your own kitchen, knowing exactly what's going into your food. By making your own tortillas, you're not just solving the problem of hard-to-find vegan options, but you're also taking control of your food. You get to decide what goes into your tortillas, and you can tweak the recipe to suit your taste. So, are you ready to revolutionize your tortilla game? Let's talk ingredients and tools. To make these vegan sweet potato tortillas, you'll need a few simple ingredients. First off, you'll need 2 cups of cooked and mashed sweet potatoes. Make sure they're nice and smooth for the best consistency. Next, you'll need between 2 to 3 cups of a gluten-free flour blend. The amount will depend on your preferred dough consistency. You'll also need a teaspoon of salt and have some water on hand just in case you need it. Now let's talk about the tools. A large bowl is essential for mixing our ingredients. You'll also need a tool for mashing the sweet potatoes. A potato masher or a fork will do just fine. Next up, a rolling pin for rolling out the dough, and a non-stick skillet for cooking our tortillas. So we've got our ingredients and tools ready. Now let's get to kneading our dough. Begin by mashing your sweet potatoes until they are smooth. You want to ensure that there are no lumps left. The smoother the mash, the better your tortillas will turn out. A potato masher or a fork works well for this, but if you have a food processor, it can make the job even quicker. Once your sweet potatoes are mashed to a smooth consistency, it's time to start making the dough. In a large bowl, combine the mashed sweet potatoes, 1 cup of the gluten-free flour blend, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix these ingredients together until they are well combined. As you knead the dough, you'll start to get a feel for its consistency. You're aiming for a dough that is firm but not sticky. If it feels too wet, you can gradually add more flour, a little at a time. Remember, it's easier to add more flour than to take it away, so go slow and let the dough tell you what it needs. Kneading the dough is an important step in our tortilla making process. It helps to develop the gluten in the flour, which will give our tortillas their structure and elasticity. If you're new to kneading, don't worry. It's a simple process of folding the dough over onto itself and then pushing it down and away with the heel of your hand. Turn the dough a quarter turn and repeat. It's a bit of a workout, but it's also a lot of fun. Once your dough is at the right consistency, give it a final knead, then cover the bowl with a clean cloth and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll out. Next, let's move on to rolling out our dough. But before we do that, take a moment to admire the beautiful dough you've just created. It's a testament to your culinary skills, and it's about to become some of the most delicious tortillas you've ever tasted. Dust your surface with some flour, take a small portion of dough and roll it out into a thin circle. With the dough nicely rolled out, it's time to bring the heat. Place your non-stick skillet over a medium flame and let it warm up. Once it's hot, gently lay your tortilla on the skillet. No oil is necessary here. The natural moisture in the sweet potatoes will do the trick. Keep a keen eye on your tortilla as it cooks. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you should start to see golden brown spots appearing on the surface. When those spots show up, it's time to flip. Another minute or 2 on the other side and voila! Your first sweet potato tortilla is ready. Now repeat the process with the rest of your dough, but here's a little tip. To keep your cooked tortillas warm and soft while you work on the rest, stack them and cover with a clean kitchen towel. The residual heat will keep them nice and pliable. As you get into the rhythm of rolling and cooking, you might find yourself wondering why sweet potatoes? Beyond their sweet, earthy flavor, there's a lot to love about these root veggies. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins A and C, both of which are essential for a healthy immune system. They're also a great source of dietary fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates. These are slow-releasing, meaning they provide a steady flow of energy over time rather than a quick sugar spike and crash. That makes these tortillas a great choice for sustained energy throughout the day. So not only are you making a delicious vegan-friendly tortilla, but you're also crafting a nutrient-packed powerhouse of a meal, and all it takes is a little bit of rolling and cooking. So let's keep going and see these beauties come to life. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic choice for vegan diets. They're not just a vibrant and delicious addition to meals, but they also pack quite a nutritional punch. Firstly, they are high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Moreover, sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of vitamins, including vitamin A, which is vital for eye health, and vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. They also provide a variety of minerals like potassium and manganese, important for maintaining overall body function. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, providing a slow-releasing form of energy that can keep you satiated for longer periods. This makes them an excellent base for our tortillas, giving you a healthier, more nutritious alternative to regular flour tortillas. Now, let's check out these beautiful tortillas we've made. Look at these beautiful tortillas we've made together. They're vibrant, inviting, and just begging to be filled with your favorite vegan goodies. Their soft and flexible texture makes them perfect for rolling up a storm of flavors. Picture this: fresh, crunchy lettuce, creamy avocado slices, zesty salsa, and hearty black beans all wrapped up in one of these sweet potato tortillas. The possibilities are simply endless, and the best part is, you're in control of what goes in. You can go for a spicy filling, a sweet one, or even a mix of both. These tortillas are not just a healthier alternative, but they're also a fun and creative way to enjoy your meals. They're proof that vegan food can be exciting, versatile, and absolutely delicious. To sum up, these vegan sweet potato tortillas are not just easy to make, but they're also incredibly nutritious and a fantastic alternative to traditional tortillas. I hope you're inspired to try making these at home. The joy of cooking lies in experimentation, so feel free to play around with the recipe. Remember, there's no such thing as a failed kitchen experiment, only delicious lessons learned. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tasty, vegan-friendly recipes. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting culinary adventure with us. Let's spend the next minute discussing some variations. You can add spices like cumin, garlic powder, or smoked paprika to the dough. This gives your tortillas an exciting flavor profile that will elevate your vegan meals to a whole new level. The warm, earthy notes of cumin, the robust zing of garlic, or the smoky intensity of paprika can all work wonders. Just remember, the key is to start small with the spices. You can always add more if you like. Another fun twist is to experiment with different kinds of flour. If you're not strictly gluten-free, whole wheat flour is a great option to consider. It lends a hearty, rustic touch to your tortillas and amps up the nutritional value even further. Now let's talk about storing these sweet potato tortillas. After cooking, ensure the tortillas are completely cool before storing. Stack them with pieces of parchment paper in between each tortilla to prevent sticking. Then place the stack in a resealable bag or airtight container. They'll stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. If you want to store them for longer, you can freeze them, where they'll last for up to 3 months. To thaw, simply leave them in the fridge overnight. When you're ready to use them, warm them up on a skillet or in the microwave wrapped in a damp cloth. This will bring back their soft, pliable nature, ready to be filled with your favorite vegan goodies. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cooking is about exploration and creativity. This recipe for vegan sweet potato tortillas is merely a launchpad into the world of culinary creativity. Feel free to experiment with new flavors, textures, and spices. Perhaps you'll add a pinch of cayenne for a kick or a smattering of herbs for an aromatic twist. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. So go ahead, play with your food and make this recipe your own. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cooking is about exploration and creativity, so take this recipe as a base and make it your own. Subscribe so you do not miss the next video, share and comment. See you next time for more vegan delights. Until next time, keep cooking with love and creativity.